Hi friends, welcome to Learn with Krishna Sandeep channel. In this video, we'll see one important Java program. Find out list of missing numbers in a given list, given array or array list, anything. Okay. For example, so assume that here are the list of the numbers I have 2, 4, 1, 5, 7, 8, 0. Okay, so these are the numbers. If you see here in this given list of numbers, what all numbers are missing? You see 0 is there, 1 is there, 2 is there, 3 is missing and 6 is missing. So your output should be 3 and 6. So this should be the program. So your output should print 3 and 6 in the console. So first let's write the program. So I'm writing a main method. And first what I'll do is I'll create a method called missing numbers. Public static void. Why I'm taking void? It will not do anything. It will not return anything. It will just print the missing numbers. And it will accept only integer array. Integer array of elements. Okay. So since we have the integer array of elements, so what we need to do? First create a hash set. Okay. I'll tell you, explain step by step why are we creating hash set and all those. So first let's create a hash set. So hash set of integer set equal to new hash set. Okay. And whatever the array elements we are taking here, first we need to add it to the hash set. Okay. Whatever the elements we are taking in the array, that needs to be added to the hash set. Okay. So for int num colon array set dot add and then add cheyali. So we need to add set dot add. We need to add this num to this set. Okay. So this is done. So whatever the elements we have in this integer array, that is converted to hash set now. So after adding the elements to the hash set, the next step what we need to do is we need to iterate each and first what we need to do, we need to check each and every element in this integer array is contained in this set or not. Okay, for example, what we'll do, we'll iterate starting with this. Okay, this is the array. Okay, this is the integer array. First we'll start with 2. Okay, we'll check whether this, okay, and this is the integer array. So this integer array we have converted it to set. Now what we are going to do is starting with index 0, first we'll check whether that element is there in this set or not. For example, we'll iterate 0 to n natural numbers. Okay, 0 to n natural numbers and check whether that element is present in this set or not. But we'll start with 0. So 0 is present in this set or not? Yes. So we'll ignore, we'll not print anything. Next we'll increment the index and go to the next element. Okay. So next element is what from 0 to n natural numbers 1. We'll check 1 is present in this set or not. So how do we check that? Set dot contains method is there to check whether an element is present in this set or not. So 1 is present in the set. Okay, and then 2. Okay, check 2 is present in this set or not. If it is present, then print true. Okay, ignore, do nothing. Then go to the next element. What is 3? Check 3 is present in this list or not. 3 is not present. So 3, we can print 3 because 3 is not present in this list. In order to do that, okay, instead of doing 0 to n natural numbers, what we can do is we can do with the size of the elements. Okay, so first we'll calculate n here. Int n equal to Okay, int n equal to array dot a dot length plus 1. Okay, and then now what we'll do, for as I told you, I'll be looping through each and every element starting from 0 to n. Okay, n is nothing but size of this array, n is nothing but size of this array. If not set dot contains I, okay, then print system dot out dot println I. Okay, if not set dot contains I, system dot out dot println I. As I told you, here what we'll be doing, we'll create first an integer array with elements. What are the elements here? Just copy these elements and paste it here, and then pass missing numbers of A. Hope you understand this logic, right? First we'll run the program and see the output, and then what we'll do is we'll debug the program step by step, and again we'll see the logic. Let's run the program and see the output. If you see, the output is 3 and 6. Why? Because 3 and 6 are missing in this complete list. Okay, so let's go from the starting. What we did as part of this program. First, what we have done, we have created an array. This is the step 1. And after this, what we have done, we have created this method missing numbers, and we are passing this array of elements to this missing numbers method. In this missing number method, what we are doing, we are creating a hash set, and we are adding elements to this hash set. For adding the elements to the hash set, what we need to do, we need to loop over this array for array and add this element set dot add, and then int n equal to a dot length plus 1. Okay, int n equal to a dot length plus 1. Why we are calculating n instead of looping, okay, through all the natural numbers? Okay, what we are doing, we are just looping through the size of this array. So int n equal to a dot length plus 1. Now starting with 0, we are checking, okay, in this list I equal to 0, we are checking whether this 0 is present in this list or not. Yes. So then come out of this condition. Then it goes to the next element, what is 1. Check 1 is present in this set or not. Yes, it is there. Then it will come out of this condition, and I gets incremented and I changes to 2. Okay. So let's run this program in debug mode and see whether we are getting in the same way or not. So first what we did, we have passed this array to this missing numbers, and we have created hash set, and now this set contains the same elements which we have like array. Okay, so 0 1 2 4 5 7 8, and then after adding the elements to the set, now what we did, int n equal to a dot length plus 1. N is how much? 8. Total we have 7 elements, so n would be 8. So starting with I equal to 0, I less than 8, I plus plus, what we are doing? So check first 0 is present in this. Okay, starting with 0 till 8. 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. We'll check each and every element is present in this set or not. If it is not present, then we'll print this list. I equal to 0. Okay, first I will be 0. Okay, this I is present in this set. Yes, 0 is present in this set. So it will come out of this condition. Let's come back out of this condition. Okay, step over, and then I will become 1 1 1. Okay, 1 is present in this, so it will come out of this condition. Step over. Now I gets incremented. I will be what? 2. So check whether I is 2 or not. I is 2. So this I is 2 and this is present in this 2. So it will come out of this condition. Now I gets incremented. Now what is the value of I? I will be 3. Check whether this 3 is present in this set or not. Yes. So 3 is not present in this set. So what happens? This condition is passed and it comes to this system.out.println, and then it prints, and it prints, 3. Similarly, do the step over. Now I will become what? 4. I is 3. Now let's get into this. I will be 4. Okay. Check 4 is present in this list or not. Yes, it is present. And then after that, check I is what? I gets incremented. I is what? 5. Check 5 is present in this set. Yes. So 5 is present in this set. Now I becomes what? 6. Check 6 is present in this set. No. What happens? It comes here and it will print 6. You see here, it gets printed 6. So even if you have 10, 15, 100 elements, it will find out all the missing numbers in the given list. So without using any formula, if you want to go with the brute force approach, then we can choose this approach. Hope you understand this video. Thanks for watching my video. If you like my video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you.